import numpy as np. Now I'll take the list of elements. A is equal to directly np dot array of, I'll take some elements. Some 15, some 20, some 23, some 56, something like some 46. And I'll take the elements called 13. And the element is called as minus 67. And how many elements are over? Next is called some 90. Something like, 68. These are my elements. Totally 9 elements are available here. Okay. Now I'll be getting print of A and type of A. You already aware of it. It's very easy. Now my requirement is, I'll be shaping it. A dot shape is equal to 3, 3 because of what? 9 elements are available. This is my given data. So today my requirement is, I want to get those numbers which are multiples of what? Or I want to get the numbers. I'll write a comment here. I want to get all even numbers. I want to get all even numbers. That is my requirement. So how do you get the even numbers? I want to get odd numbers. I want to get positive numbers. These are all called what? Filtering the data, we can call. Filtering the data from ND array. Selecting the elements from ND array. How do you get the data now? For that, you need to simply say that prepare the Boolean array. There are two approaches are available. One is called a Boolean array. That is called with the condition you need to write it. B is equal to some variable name. A percentage 2 is equal to 0. A percentage is equal to 0. What is this part is called? Condition. What is the condition here? Boolean array A. I am writing some sort of operation here. Each element of A. What is this A percentage 2? Vector based operations permitted or not? So value of A I am taking and I am just doing by 2, applying with the remainder. Remainder is equal to 0. First element you take it, 15 percentage 2 is equal to 0, false. False means what? It is going to be recorded as false in where? B. Second element 20 percentage 2 is called true. True will be recorded. Next is called 23 percentage 2 is called what again? False. Next is called what? True. 56 percentage 2 is called true. Next 46 percentage 2 is true. 13 percentage 2 is false. Minus 67 is called false. 90 is called true. 68 is called true. This is called which array? Boolean array. Boolean matrix is prepared. B is also which object? ND array object only. Okay. Up to that you write it. And after that, I will pass the Boolean array to the ND array once again. A of B, I will write it. A of B, I will write it. What is this A of B? Boolean array passing to A. Each element of A is applied to the Boolean array. 15 here, what? False. That means 15 will not be selected. 20 is applied to the second Boolean array. True. What is selected? 20 is selected. Next 23 you see, false. False means what? Not selected. 56 is called what? True, selected. 46 true, selected. 13 what? False, not selected. 67 minus 6 and false. 92 selected. 68 what? True. What are all the entries are true, that will be selected. So here you see print of B comma type of B. Type of B. I'm going to say, you see that, what is that? Observe it. False for 15. 20 it is true. And 23 is called false here. 56 again true. What is this? 46 true. 13 called what? False. And 67 is called false. And 90 is called true. And 68 is called true. That Boolean array. You pass to what? B. You pass to B. A of B. What are all the corresponding entries are true? Those corresponding entries will be retrieved from where? This A itself. You see that now? What are the elements are coming now? These are the elements belongs to what? Come on, what numbers they are called? Even numbers. Odd numbers I want to get it. How do I get the odd numbers again? B is equal to A percentage 2 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Print this B. You see this 15. 15 is called what here? 15 is called what? True. Not equal to 0 now. Exactly opposite to the previous result will come. And pass A to B. Pass A to B. You are getting 15, 23, 13 like that. You will get it. Now I want to get it, A you print it. I want to get all directly. I want to get it. Here you are preparing Boolean array. Later we are preparing. Directly I will write it. A of A percentage 2 is equal to 0. Directly I am writing the data. Directly I am writing the condition. Output is coming. Earlier what we used to prepare? Boolean condition, Boolean array. Pass the Boolean array to the ND array object. We are getting this data. Prepare the Boolean array, pass it to this now, got the output. Now directly you are passing the data with a condition. So Boolean array directly passing to that. Now I will write it what? A of A percentage 2 not equal to 0. See students, we are getting 15, 23, 13 and then minus 67. Understandable? So this is comes under what? How to filter the data. Getting? So if I want to get it only positive numbers, what should I see? A greater than what? 0. All positive numbers are coming except what? Minus 67. A of what? A less than 0. You'll be getting only one element called minus 67. So what is this mechanism called? Selecting the data from ND array object. So you need to pass ND array object. So see that ND array object with what here? Test condition I can pass it. Test condition I can pass it. This is a syntax for filtering the data. It's a small concept, much useful syntax here. Students in online, offline, did you understand this? Understand? So online students, this is the way of getting the data. Now we are supposed to enter into the another operation we are entering. Arithmetic operations I want to move to the further. That is a topic which is left out, which I supposed to cover in last class. So now I am going to talk about two important things today. So arithmetic operations on ND array, which is nothing but what it's very easy students, nothing but matrix operations on ND array. This is what I am going to discuss. So let us start discussing about what is this arithmetic operations or matrix operations on ND array here. Look at that carefully. Now, arithmetic operations, nothing but what? Plus, minus, all those things Very simple. Today is very simple, not a difficult. On ND array object, we can perform the following. Arithmetic operations, which is nothing but simply called what? Matrix operations. Arithmetic operations are what? Matrix operations. Right? What are those operations? So I'm writing first one. I'm going to write it. First function is available. What is the function name? Add off. Where is this function is available? NumPy module. Where it is available? NumPy module. Second one I will go for it. Subtract. What is that? Subtract. This is my function. What is the third function available? Multiply. How easy this is. And along with the multiply, you are having some subparts are also there. There is one more thing called what matmul, MUL. Next, there is one more function is there, dot, DOT. We are having dot matrix, dot product. And sixth is called what DIV, division or DIV. I just check it. Division, I hope so. Seventh is called what? floor underscore divide, floor underscore divide, load underscore divide. Next is called as eighth one is called what? The power of, power of. Are you able to follow? So these are the functions which are available, and one more is available. That's called what, you know, eighth. What is that? Mod. And this is called the ninth one is called power. And these things we can perform with what also? Operators also you can use it. Plus operator you can use. And next you can perform what, you know, minus operator. Same as arithmetic operators, not a difficult at all. That's why NumPy is a dead easy once we reach to the good coding standards. Math multiplication, there is no symbol available. Divide or division, some symbol is available. I'll check it out. Slash. For this we are having what, you know, double slash. And for this we are having the symbol called what? Percentage. And for this the symbol is called what? Double star. So either you can perform with respect to functions or you can perform with respect to what? Operations. Let us go for the operation discussion now. Let us take one matrix here. Take a matrix A is equal to NP dot array of, take one matrix students. I say 10, 20, 10, 20. I'll keep it into one list. Now I will take it. One more list I will take it. 30, 40. Take any big matrix you like it. Now I'm taking one matrix here. B matrix also I will take it. NP dot what, you know, I'll take this same thing. I'll come to this place. B is equal to, now I'm taking 1, 2. And next is called 3, 4. There I am taking B is equal to. B is equal to. Print A matrix, print B matrix. This is my given data. Follow? Now I want to say C is equal to NP dot add of A comma B. A comma B. So see that what is the function name? Add. Easy or difficult? Nothing is there. NP dot add of A comma B. And print of what, you know? C. You know matrix addition. How to do that? 10 with 1, 20 with 2, and 30 with 3, or 40 with 4. Element wise addition will be done. It is called what? Matrix addition. You can also do the same thing by using A plus B also you can do it. A plus B also you can do it. Of D you can say. What is that? Same operation is coming. I mean to say, every function what you are doing with this, there is a symbolic notation is there, that is called plus. So if anybody asks you how to do the matrix multiplication, you need to take the matrix A, matrix B. We can apply what operation? Add function. This is called array-based computing. How to deal with the arrays? NumPy is the one. And the NumPy related array-based programs we are talking about. Next is called what? Print A and then print B. Now these are the things. Now I need to go for what? Subtract. How do you do it? C is equal to NP dot. Come on, don't take much time. Easy. Subtract. Subtract. No, subtract. Of what? A comma B. A comma B. NP dot. Yes. NP dot. Same. And print of C. Print of C. You see type of C. That also called what? ND array object only. So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. 20 minus 2. 30 minus 3. 40 minus 4. Got the subtracting of matrices. You can also do the same thing by using D is equal to what? A minus B. And print of D. Print of D. Same answer is coming, right? So here the function is called add with the plus operator. Subtract with what? Minus operator. Go to the next. Multiplication. A value and then B value. Now see, students. C is equal to NP dot multiply. There are two varieties of multiplication will be there. Here, element-wise multiplication will be taken by multiply function. Matrix multiplication is different from element-wise multiplication. 10 and 1 multiplied, 20 and 2 multiplied, 30 with 3 multiplied, 40 with 4 multiplied. This is called element-wise multiplication. Element-wise multiplication. but actual matrix multiplication is different. Now I will show you that also. So first you understand this mechanism, students. Now see that this is called what? Element wise multiplication. 10 into 1, 30 into 3, 20 into 2, 40 into 4. Got it up? Next. Again, I will go for what? C, D is equal to what? A star B you say. A star B you say. Print of what? You say D. Now I got the data as similar to the above. Got it up? Now, coming to that, that is called what? Matrix multiplication. That is called element-wise matrix multiplication. Now I want to do what? Original multiplication I want. How the original matrix multiplication? Suppose I will do A value, A is called like this. I will write it. A matrix is called what? 10, 20. Next is called 30. And next is called 40. This is my given data. What are the next elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3. And then 4. And we need to multiply. How you multiply, you know, I hope so. Every row will be multiplied with the column. Tell me now, how do you do it? 10 into 1 plus 20 into 3. 20 into 3. Next, come on. 10 into, come on, 2 plus 20 into 4. 20 into 4. Right. Next, 30 into 1 plus 40 into 3. 3. Next, 30 into 1 plus 30 into 2. Okay, 30 into 2 plus this is 40 into 4. You multiply that. And the answer is what? 10 plus 60, 70. Correct? 10 into 2, 20. And 20 into 4, 100. That is 20 plus 80, 100. Right or not? 100. Next, 30 into 1 and 40 into 3. 150. 150. Next, 30 into 2, 60. 40 into 4, 160. 160 plus 60. Come on. 220. This is an answer what you will get it. This is called a original matrix multiplication. If I want to get this data, there is a mechanism called what? NP dot, there is a function called MAT-MUL of what? A comma B. If I pass A comma B like that, you are getting the data like this. Getting my point? So let us write, remember the result now. C is equal to NP dot MAT-MUL of A comma B. And print of what here? C. Now you got it. 70, 100, 150 and 220. This is called a matrix multiplication, MAT-MUL. There is one more similar function is available, and don't try to find out the difference in that. Both of them are similar. And I'm saying that one method only I can say and I can finish it up. This method also you can use it, no issue in that. A comma B you say, and print of D you say, print of D you say, same answer will be coming. So I can use either MAT-MUL or dot. I can use same answer is coming. Are you following me? So how do you find the element-wise multiplication? Multiply. How do you do the matrix multiplication? Either MAT-MUL or dot we need to use it. Getting my point? Next I'm going to talk about what? Another one is called a divide or division. I will check it out that. Take that A, take the B. Now I'm saying C is equal to NP dot divide, NP dot divide A comma B, A comma B. Divide. It is not a division, divide. Print of what? C. Print of C. Print of C is nothing but what? 10 by 1. 10 by 1. What is the coefficient? 10 by 1 students. What is the coefficient? So 1, 10, 10. So answer is what? 10.0 now. Like that next 20 by 2. Element wise division. Again, it is going to be what? 10.0. So 10.0, 20. Next, the same 30 by 3. All 10, 10, 10 will come. Print C. 10.10.10 will come. Getting or not? Similarly, you can apply D is equal to A slash B also you can apply. You can apply this element-wise division also. Got the same answer. So I mean, either you can perform with divide this is, either you can perform with operator slash, or you can perform with divide function. What is the double slash operator? Floor divide. Floor divide. Go to the place, print A and print B. Now say that C is equal to NP dot floor divide of A comma B. A comma B. And print what here, students? See, you print it. Same answer only. Instead of float value, you'll be getting what? Integer value. That is a 10, 10, 10 will come. So D is equal to A double slash B and print of what here? D I am saying. Same answer will be coming like this. Did you understand this point? So here floor divide like this. And next is called what? Mod. I'll be applying modulus operator. I am applying. A value, B value you print. C is equal to NP dot mod of A comma B. A comma B modulus means what? 10 and 1 modulus. What is this now? 10 percentage 1. 10 percentage. Modulus means percentage only now. So 10 of what? This is a 10 of 1. 1, 10, 10. So remainder is called what? 0. So even 20 with 2, 30 with 3, 40 with 4, remainders are all of them are zeros will come. Zeros will come. Print C. So you'll be getting zeros only. You can apply the same thing with what? A percentage B, I can write it. Vector based operation also you can print it, D. So you'll get the same answer like this. You can change this mechanism also, student. What is this? B comma A you can say. That is what will come? A matrix only will come as this. Are you following me? So B comma A means what? What is the B value? That is 1 percentage 10. 1 percentage 10 means what, students? 10. 10, 0, 0. What will come? 1. 2 percentage 10. What is the answer now? 2 percentage 20. Same. 20. 20, 0, 0. What is the answer now? 2. Same values will be coming like a B matrix. Getting? So this is about what? Modulus. Then power I will take it. Power is nothing but what? Exponentiation will be taken up. Exponentiation. Take this A, take this B. How simple it is. Now see, students. C is equal to NP dot power of A comma B. What is the meaning of A comma B? 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1. A to the power of B means power of AB means what? 10 to the power of 1. 20 to the power of 2. 30 to the power of 3. 40 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 1 means what? 10. 10. Next, 20 to the power of 2 means what? Come on. 400. 30 to the power of 3 means what? Come on. First 3 threes. 20, 7, 0, 0. How many zeros? 3 zeros. 30 to the power of 3 means how much, students? 30 into 30 into 30 or not? 40 to the power of 4. 40 to the power of 4. 40 to the power of 4. Multiplication problem for all of you. So into 4, 40. 4, 4, 16, 16, 16, 256. How many zeros? This is the data. 256 like this is the value. So coming to the point back. Print of what? C. You see the data like this. Are you getting? Next, you can also do A double star B. Double star B. You can also find print of D. So you are going to get the data like this. So this type of description already there in our notes, which I'm going to upload it with a spoon feeding explanation for you. If I go to the NumPy here, there is the arithmetic operations are available. You follow me. This is called what? You just see. All these things are called what? All the arithmetic operations can also performed with arithmetic operators also. All these operations are called matrix operation. Add function description, add function, subtract function description, multiply function description, dot or what? Matmul description. Everything is given with our standards of the nodes. Following up? Right. So nodes is, I hope you are downloading the nodes or not, I don't know. Nodes is very important. Are they downloading? Go through the notes. Right. Now I'm going to introduce, after that, statistical operations I'm introducing here. Statistical operations. Statistical operations. Statistical operations on ND array. On ND array. So I'm going to discuss what? Statistical operations. What are the statistical operations on that? Statistical operations on it. What are the things we are coming across? Now, I will write certain functions are there. What are the functions? I will write it one by one. I will discuss. A max. A max. What is that A max? What is that A stands for? Array. In ND array, wherever A is coming, that is related to array only. Yeah. NumPy belongs to what? Array meaning, array operations. Next is called what? A min. I will explain. So Deepak is asking, is it compulsory both matrices have same element for arithmetic operation? Same element. Is it? Same element? No, my dear student. Order must be matched. So school level mathematics. Suppose arithmetic operation. You have 3 by 3 matrix and 2 by 2 matrix. Is it added up? Not possible. It's a basic, my dear student. Deepak Dinkar. So same element now. It is supposed to have the same order. Now A min of. Next I am going to say mean. Next is called what? Median. 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 Generally, people will expect mode. Mode is not there in the NumPy module. We'll discuss that separately. Next is called what? Variance. Variance. Variance of. Standard deviation of. These are our functions. Are you following me? So there also I'm going to explain to you. Statistical operations are also there, students. There we are going to come across all these things with the description I'm going to give you. Right now, don't worry. Let me explain first this entire thing. Let me first go into the coding related example. Let's go to the example part here. Coding related. So take the example called what? Max. A is equal to np dot array of, take certain things here. What is that now? 10, 34, 56, something like 45, 45, and next is 76, 78, and next is called 14. How many elements are there? Now something like 89 and some 23. How many elements? How many elements? 8, and one more I will take it, 26. This is my given data. This is my given data. Print A and type of A. It is an ND array. It is an ND array. Now there I will take it. A dot shape is equal to what I am doing, 3, 3. I will mention it. This is my data which is available. Now my requirement today is I want to find the max and min. From this entire thing, I want to find what? Max and min. How do you find the max and min in our list? How do you find the max and min in our list? Programming also we did. Forget totally. So in list, if you want to find the max and min, you go for what? List of values, we'll take it. List of values, you take it. Go to that. We will apply max function. Max function. L1 is equal to 10, 23, 45, 12, 67, 34, minus 6, 0. This is my data. Print of what? L1. Max of L1. It will give you max element. Min of L1 will give you min element. There is another way also there. L dot what? Sort of. L1 dot sort of. L1 you print it. L1 of what? 0 will give you what? Min least. L1 of -1 will give you max. There are so many ways are there to find out. And once we know subject very well. Once we don't know subject now, nothing will come out of it. Regular dialogue. So these are the many ways are there. Like that, even in our case of this ND array, there is a function called what? MV, max V is equal to NP dot A max is a function name called what? A max, which is going to take the ND array name. What is the ND array name? A, find the max value and print that print of max value is equal to, now I am writing what? Max V I am taking. Max V I am taking. What is the max V here? 89 I am passing over there. 89 is the answer. Now this is called okay. Now today we want to introduce some new thing here. What is it? See students, these are all called what? These are all called what? Columns, right? Columns. This is called what? Rows. How do you in ND array? My requirement is column wise max elements I want to find. In the first column, what is the max? In the second column, what is the max I want to find? First column, what is the max? 89. Second column, what is the max? 78. And the third column, what is the max? 56. So column wise max element also I want to find. Row wise max element also I want to find. Row wise max. What is the row wise max? 56, 78, 89. These are the details what we have. These are the row max and then what? Column max. How do you find the column max? Columns are indicated in Python ND array as accesses. Accesses. You see this, I'm giving a blind rule for you. This is known as what? Vertical line. And this is known as horizontal line. Horizontal line represents what? Rows. And vertical line represents what? So this is called a y-axis. This is called a x-axis. Y-axis indicated in our graphical representation as 0. And x-axis indicated as what? 1. So here one attribute is available. Axis. Axis is equal to 0. Means which axis? Y-axis. Axis is equal to 1, meaning is what? X-axis. Will you remember this? Axis 0 means y-axis. Axis 1 means what? X-axis. 0 means what? Columns or rows? Columns. Axis is equal to 0 means y-axis. Y-axis means vertical line. Vertical line is nothing but what? Columns. Axis is equal to 1 means x-axis. X-axis means horizontal. Horizontal things are what? Row. You got it up? So this is very important in NumPy. Coming to the point of it. Come on now. Column max, COL max is equal to, come on, same. NP dot, come on students. A max of A comma axis is equal to 0. 0. Print what here? Column max. Column max values. Column max values is equal to, comma what? COL max. COL max. Is it the data coming column max or not? Similarly, row max also I want. Row max. Row max is equal to NP dot A max of A comma axis is equal to 1. You see here I am writing. See students, I am writing here what max? Row max. Now I am taking row max. I am going to talk. Row max. I am going to talk. So what is the row max here? See that. So what is the main important component here? What is the main important component here? A max. What is the syntax here? What is the syntax? NumPy dot A max of what? ND array. Or what is the another syntax? NP dot A max of, come on, access is equal to 0. One more is called what? Or I can say ND array, come on, access is equal to 1. This is our data. Are you able to get it? So this is the data. Similarly, we can also apply the min also. By this time, you are understanding about min. What is the syntax? So A max will give you what? Maximum element in the ND array. It can give you row wise max. It can give you row wise max here. It will give you what? Column wise max. I hope I am clear. Similarly, go for what? Same syntax you write. Online students, respond it. Don't sit quiet and calm. Is the A max is clear for all of you? Now I am going to apply what? A min. A min. So I will apply what here? A min. Here also I will apply A min. I will apply. A min I am going to apply. So x-axis is 0. Syed Shahu. I already told you now, my dear student. Axis is equal to 0 means what? Y-axis. Axis is equal to 1 means what? X-axis. I told blind rule also. Columns, Y-axis, 0. X-axis, rows, 1. Hey, confuse. But confuse is not going to change the human being, right? Human being must be under control so that you can understand. Go to the point back. Now I will write it. A I will take it. Apply now. Come on. Min is equal to min value. Min value is equal to all of them. I will write it once. NP dot A min of A. I will write next what? Column min is equal to COL min is equal to NP dot A min of what is this now? A comma axis is equal to 0. Next I am writing here what min? This is called a 1. This is called a which min? Row min. I am taking row min. Now I will print it here. Print of what? Min. So I am going to write it. Min is equal to comma what? Min value. Next I am writing here what I am writing? Column min. Column min is equal to comma what? COL min. Next print of what? Row min is equal to row min is equal to row min I am writing. See the answer now. Answer you see. What is the minimum value out of all these things? 10. What is the minimum value of that entire column? 10. 10. What is the minimum value here? 23. Next is called what here? 14. So 10, 23, 14. Minimum value overall matrix is called 10. Row wise min, obviously 10, obviously 14, obviously 23. So 10, 14, 23. Are you getting? So this is called what function? What function? A min, A max. Getting up? Now, coming to the mean. What do you mean by mean, students? Same to same. If I apply, if we come to the meaning of it, what is the meaning? Mean, what do you mean by mean? To find the mean of an ND array is nothing but average or not. So I'm going to write it. Mean of ND array, mean of ND array, mean of I am writing, mean of I am writing, axis is equal to 1, axis is equal to 0 and axis is equal to 1. Take this element. If you are very much short enough in finding this mean, you can find out sum of all elements by what? 9. Sum of all elements by 9. You can happily apply. What is this now? M is equal to NP dot what? Mean of what? A. You try to find out, print of M you say, you try to calculate and then see 41.666 etc. You got it. So instead of worrying about such a big thing, I'll take one small matrix, students. NP dot array of 2 comma 1 comma I will write 3 comma 4. Like this I am taking small matrix. Print of what? Of course I will write it. This is the one I will write it. This is the one I will write it. A I am writing. This is my matrix. Tell me now, M is equal to NP dot what? Mean of what? A. What is that mean of A now? 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. By what? 4. What is that now? 10 now? 10 by 4. How much? 2.5 is the mean. 2.5 is the mean. Okay. Print off. I will write mean is equal to, mean is equal to, comma M I will write it. So I will write it, comma what? M I am writing. So mean is equal to what? 2.5. Understandable? So simple. Now I want to go for what? Print A. Now row wise mean and column wise mean. Column wise mean I want to find. Row wise mean also I want to find. What is there? Easy. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 by how many columns? How many columns? In the columns, how many elements? 2 or 2 columns, right? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is called 2.5. This is the first one. Next 1 and 4 also. 5 by 2 is also called 2.5. This is axis is called what? 0. Axis is equal to 1. What axis is equal to 1? 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 2, 1.5. 7 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7 by 2. Come on. 3.5. So go to the point. So CM is equal to, column mean is equal to NP dot what? Mean of what? A. RM, row mean is equal to NP dot what here? Mean of A. So axis also, yes, 100% I need to write what? Axis. Axis is equal to 0, comma, what is this? Axis is equal to 1. Print of what I am saying? Column mean is equal to, comma, what? CM. Print of what, you know? Row mean is equal to what, you know? What is that? RM. So see that, students, 2.5, 2.5, 1.51, this one is getting. So original mean, if you want to write it, you can write that mean also. Print of, already you calculated now. Mean is equal to what, you know? M you can write it. No, already calculated now. Previously you calculated already, right? You calculated already. Already you calculated here. That answer I am printing here. This is called what? Mean. Are you getting my point? So coming to the point of it, mean also with the same thing. What is median? Of course, nothing difficult about it. So there I am going to apply. Same median I will apply. What do you mean by median? I will explain. Median is nothing but arranging the given ND array elements in sorted order and taking the center element. Is called what? Median. If the number of elements are even, that is also one meaning is there. If number of elements are what? Even. What will happen? 2 center elements will become addition and by 2 you will apply. I hope you are following. Let me go for the example. Here. Go to the place and try to take up. What is my elements? I will take it. You take this array. Big matrix, you take it. This one you take it. This you take it, students. Now I am taking A. A dot shape is equal to 3, 3 you write it. 3, 3 you write it. This is my given data. I want to find the median. MD is equal to NP dot median of what? A. First, what it will do? This median will arrange the given elements into sorted order. How do you arrange the elements in sorted order? Arrange it 10, 14. Next is what? 23. Next is called 26, 34, 45. So 45, 56, 78, 89. This is my elements in sorted order. So 4 elements and then 4 elements. What is the center element here? So that 34 is called what? Median. 34 is called median. So I'm going to write it. Print of median. Median is equal to what? MD. MD. See the answer called what? 34. Why that 34? Because the 9 elements are there. What is the center element? Fifth element is called center. Because odd numbers will give you exactly center element. Suppose if you take it, okay, this you let me continue this. Median is for entire matrix. This same median I will continue for what? Row median also I will continue. CMD, column median I will take it. What is the column median? You observe it. Median A comma axis is equal to 0. What is the median of it? Come on, 10, 45, 89. By default, it is sorted only in column data. What is the answer? 45, 34, 23, 78. What is this now? 23, 34, 78. What is the median now? 34. That is the second part. Next, the third one. 14, 26, 56. What is the answer now? Right. See the answer now. CMD I need to print. CMD I need to print. Yeah, see that 45, 34 and then 26. Getting? Next, same mechanism I will go for what? Row. RMD. RMD. I will say same. I will go for 1. RMD I will take it. Row median. So I'll take it as what? Row median. What is the row median here? 10, 34, 56. Obviously 34 will come out. 45, 78, 14. 45 will come out. This is 34. Next 23, 26, 89. 26 will come out. I hope you are understanding. 23, 26, 89. So here I am going to write it. That is the data what we got it. 34, 45, 26. Got it? This is called what? Row median. Now, online students. Now, I'll go for this is called what numbers? Which numbers? Even numbers, right? Odd numbers. Now I will take it. A small matrix, I will take it once again for your easy calculation purpose. I will take it, students, like this. Print this A. How many number of elements are there? Even number of elements are there. What I do now here, median I will get it. Median I will get it. Here I am going to do that. Next, column median also I will get it. CMD also I will get it here. So I am going to get it this part also. So here I am writing on the top of it. Next I will get it what? Row median also I will get it. Here I am writing that. Row median also I will get it. Now I am going to pass it. What is this data? Number of elements are what? 4. 4 elements are there. That means you put them in the sorted order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of elements are what? Even. So what are the center elements? Neither 2 center nor 3 center. So 2 plus 3 by 2 you need to take. What is it? Come on. 5. 5 by 2, which is called what? 2.5 is the median now. That is an answer called 2.5. If the number of numbers are even, select the 2 center elements, add them and then do by 2. Division by 2, you are getting this answer. Column median, you take it. Column median. What is the column median? 2 and 5. 2, 3. How many? Only 2 elements. 2 plus 3 by 2. 2.5. 1 and 4 also. 5. That is also called what? 2.5. Next, 2.5, 2.5. Row median, you take it. 2 and 1. Come on. 1.5. 3 plus 4 by 2. Right. See that now. 2.5, 2.5. Median is what? 2.5. and also we are getting this. This is called what? Even number of numbers are there. Take the center two elements and do by 2. And odd numbers are what? Take exactly center element and find out this. This is comes under what? Median. Online students, is it clear? Go for what? Median is done. Go for what? Variance. In your data science, you will come across this calculation part. That time you should not think that this is something different. These functions are from where? NumPy module only. So, how to find the variance? Now I am going to introduce the variance. So, coming to the point back, variance I am going to understand. Now I am going to take it A. Now I am going to take up the variance now. Carefully follow. So now I am going to take it. Variance also will be coming here. Total matrix variance, column wise variance, row wise variance will be coming. Let's start with variance is equal to NP dot variance of A. Directly you need not to know about what is the result, but you need to know calculation part, mathematics also. Little mathematics. What is the variance formula? Variance is equal to xi minus m median, mean of, to the power of what? Whole square by what? Number of elements. Number of elements. This will be continued sigma of what? I is equal to 1 to n. I don't know whether you know this formula or not. This is what is xi? First element, second element, third element, fourth element. What is m? Median. What is the median we got it for this? Mean, sorry, not median, mean. What is the mean of this data? 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is called what? 2.5. Offline boys. Are you listening? Calculate. Instead of sitting quiet and calm. What is the answer? 2.5. Come on, calculate this now. I'm going to say, take this. So, what is this now? First element, xi. What is the next xi? 2 minus, what is the mean? 2.5 whole square. I'm calculating variance, whole square, plus, what is the next element? 1. x1, x2, x3, x4. 1 minus 2.5 whole square. 1 minus 2.5 whole square. Plus x3, third element. 3 minus 2.5 whole square. Plus what next? 4 minus 2.5 whole square. By what? 4. Number of elements 4. Come on now. 2 minus 2.5 whole square. That is called 2 minus 2.5 whole square, means by minus 0.5 whole square. Minus 0.5 into minus 0.5. 0.25. Minus plus. 0.5, 0.25. Plus 1 minus 2.5 whole square. That is called 1.5 whole square. Minus 1.5 minus 1.5. 2.25. 15, 225. 1.5, 1.5, 2.25. Mathematics would undalagada. Only coming and sitting in the class without saying anything is not good. Plus 3 minus 2.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square. 0.5, 0.5, 0.25. 0.25. Plus 4 minus 2.5. 1.5 whole square. 1.5, 1.5, 2.25. 2.25. By what? 4. So 0.25, 0.2, 0.25, 2.25. 2.50. 2.50 plus 0.225. 2.75. Are you following, students? 2.75. 2.75 plus 2.25. Come on. 5. 5. 5 by what? 4. 5 by 4. What is an answer? 5 by 4. Teledu kada? 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4. 1.028. Right? This is called 4 2 ja. It is called 2 and 5. And it is called 0. 1.25 is a variance. So difficult, students. You will not say anything. I am only saying everything. Power calculation, everything calculation from me, my side only. So 1.25 is an answer. Only by saying, okay, sir. But not saying the answer from your side is important. Now, coming to the point of it, this variance I want for what? Row wise also I want to calculate. What is that row wise, column wise? CV column wise variance is equal to A comma, what I will do? Axis is equal to 0. So I am writing here, column wise variance is equal to CV. What is the column wise variance? First of all, column wise mean is what? 2 plus 3 by 2, 2.5. 2.5 is a mean. Which mean? Column mean. 2 minus 2.25. 0.5 whole square is called 0.25. Plus 3 minus 2.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square means 0.25. Already earlier 0.25. 0.25 plus 0.25 is 0.50. By 2. 0.25. You are thinking but not remembering. I understand. Only thinking, sir may feel like that. 0.25 is the first column variance. Remember, right? 1 and 4 mean 5. 5 by 2 is called what? 2.5. 1 minus 2.5. 1.5 whole square. 1.5 whole square. 2.25. 4 minus 2.5. 1.25. 1.25 whole square. 2.25. 2.25 plus 2.25. 4.50 by 2. 2.25. Previous one 0.25. This is 2.25. 0.25, 2.25. So the calculation gurtundalagadu. Because after mobiles coming, nothing you are remembering. Because everything is there in the mobile. But when you go to some competitive exams to test your sharpness in your mathematics calculation, you cannot do that. Aptitude. So that time you will be suffering a lot because memory loss will be there for us. That is a memory leakage we can call. Next, whatever it is, students, take care and get soon. Get that. This is called what? Row variance. Row variance axis is equal to 1. So I will say what here? Row variance is equal to RV. RV. What is the data? I hope you will understand. 2 and 1, 3. 3 by 2, 1.5. 2 minus 1.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square, 0.25. 1 minus 1.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square is called 0.25. Previously 0.25 plus 0.25, 0.50 by 2. 0.25 is an answer. Next is called what? Again 3, 4. 3, 4 is called 7. 7 by 2 is 3.5. 3 minus 3.5 whole square is 0.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square is 0.25. 4 minus 3.5 whole square is 0.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square is 0.25. 0.25, 0.25 by 2 is called 0.50 by 2. That is called 0.25 is an answer. So 0.25, 0.25 is an answer. Got it? Yes, got it. SAR calculated, we got it. This is called what? Variance. You take a big matrix also, apply that, you will get the same answer. Online students, did you understand this calculation part? Rahul is calculating, Prashant calculated, and others are not calculated. Others are saying finally, are you okay? Yes, sir, okay. But calculation is important. Now I will move to the further now. What is that? Standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to what is that? Underscore. So standard deviation is equal to SQRT of variance. Whatever the variance you got it, that will be square root is applied. Square root of variance is called what? Standard deviation. So standard deviation is equal to square root of what? Variance. What is the variance for the above one? You take this variance 1.25. 1.25 square root. What is the 1.25 square root actually? 1.25 into what? 0.5. Square root of 1.25 is called what? Like this only we used to write now. Earlier, beginning days, exponentiation operation. So 1.25 star 0.5 is called variance. But we don't do that. Directly we'll do S is equal to what? Come on, NP dot STD. STD is a function. I'll pass A. Print of what? S. Print of S. That is called 1.11. It is as good as you can print also here. What is that now? 1.25 star 0.5. You will get the same answer. Same answer, including decimals also. Got it? Similarly, I want to get it what? Standard deviation for what? Columns also I want. Here I will write it. What is this now? Standard column standard deviation CS is equal to STD of axis is equal to column standard deviation is equal to CS. What is the CS column? 0.25 square root 2.25 square root. 0.25 square root 25 square root 5. 0.25 square root 0.5. 2.25 square root 225 square root 15. 2.25 square root 1.5. Not taken coaching, huh? Don't know this. Huh? So, see students, 0.5 and then what? 2.25 square root is this. Next is called row wise things. I will take row wise. What is this now? RS is equal to standard deviation of what? Axis is equal to 1. Row standard deviation is equal to, I am writing here RS. Now see the data now. What is the row wise? 0.25, 0.25, 0.5, 0.5 is the one. These are called what? Statistical operation. You apply A, you apply NP dot mode of, you say A. Some X is equal to, error will come. What is that error? Module numpy has no attribute called mode. Mode function is not there in that. So now, to avoid this kind of problems of it, we are having what? Another example I am going to tell you. In Python, there is a module called statistics. Statistics module is available. Yes. Statistics as yes. What is the spelling? STA. Statistics. Statistics. Okay, now, what is statistics module? In where? Python language. There I will take it. Take L1 is equal to 10, 20, 10, 30, 40, 10, 40, 50, 10, and 56. This is my list of students. What is the mode meaning is? Frequently repeated element is called mode. Frequently related element is called mode. How do you find out? M is equal to S dot. What is S dot? Module alias name of what? Mode of what? L1. L1. Print of what? M. You see the answer. What is the frequently repeated element? 10. Got it? Huh? Now, you see student next. How many times that is repeated? That is deciding. What is that? 10, 10, 10. How many times? 4 times. 20 repeated how many times? 1 time. I will write here also 20, 20, 20 also I will write it. So, what is this? I will write it. I will write it. Careful students. What is the answer is coming? 10 only will come because first in order is what? 10. Next, same thing you observe it. Everybody must understand. Here I am writing 20 students. Here I am writing 10. You see the answer called what? 20. That means first element, whichever is repeated more number of times, even though same repetition is there with multiple elements, first element will be given the priority. Are you getting? But I want to get both of them. Both of them are equal number of occurrences are there. Right or not? For that, there is a function name called what you know? Multi-mode is there. Multi-mode. What is that? Multi-mode meaning is what? Any multiple repeated elements are there that are coming. Are you getting this? If you can apply this data like this also, no issue. This is called 10 only. This is called 20. No issue. I can get the same answer. 10, 20, 10, 20, 10. What functions are there? Multi-mode. You say A is equal to NP dot array of what? L1. Print A. Print A. Comma what? Type of A. Type of A. What is this is called? Come on to the point of it. 10, 20, 30, 40 here. And the next is called what here? NumPy dot what? End array. Now I want to find out the same data here. What is that? Now I want to get it. M is equal to, I will get it here. See carefully. I am saying what I am passing now. A. See the answer now. See the answer now. What is coming? Multi-mode. Same 10, 20 coming or not? You take it. The same thing here. You say only what? What I will pass it? Mode you pass it. What is the data coming? Only 10. So, are you following me? This is a multi-mode and mode. It is applicable on where? End array object. It is applicable on where also? Array also you can apply. And traditional Python objects also it can apply. Are you following me? Coming back to our example, in our case of that, you follow me students. Prashant, it is there, ma, it is there. All the calculations are there. Statistical operation. These functions are present in NumPy model. The operations which we can perform on entire matrix, we can also perform on what? Column wise as well as row wise. Column wise means what? Axis 0. Row wise means what? Axis 1. A max, see that? This function obtains the maximum element of entire matrix. Right or not? Now, variable name NumPy dot A max of this end array. NumPy dot A max of end array object obtains column wise. Axis is equal to 1, row wise. Examples. Examples. A min, same to same. Mean. What is the mean formula? This is used to find the mean of the total matrix. Formula for mean is equal to sum of all elements of matrix by total number of elements. Same example. Mean for entire object, mean for column wise, and mean for row wise. Answers are given here. Next, go for median. See that median. This is valid for calculating, obtaining median of entire matrix elements. Median is nothing but sorting the given data in ascending order and select the middle element. I wrote it. If number of sorted elements are odd, then center or middle element becomes median. If the number of sorted elements are even, then select the center or middle two elements, add them and divide by 2 and the result becomes median. Got it? Everything is so simple. Now I am applying that entire thing. Whatever I explained in the documentation is available like this. Because we came to the extreme situation. If I explain coding level, you can understand the concept easily. Again, writing the same thing, it will take a lot of time. Now coming to the variance. What are the variance? Variance is equal to SQR, square of mean minus xi, square. Square means SQR, not SQRT. By what? Total number of elements. I wrote it now. How I wrote it? Xi minus m whole square I said or not? What is the square? SQR. Mean minus xi or xi minus mean. Ela aina raskochu. M minus xi is like this. 0.5 whole square is same or minus 0.5 whole square also same. You know that. By total number. Xi represents what? Each element of the matrix. Prashant, it is there, ma notes, it is there. So axis wise 0 and this one. See the matrix. Standard deviation. SQRT of what? Variance. Axis wise available. Got it. Standard deviation. NumPy module does not contain mode function. Mode present in statistics module of Python. Mode gives you highest frequent element in the given object. So I got it. I got it. List. Got it. Converted that list into where? End array. Mode and multi-mode also applied. Got it up? So whatever is shown in that, I shown you as it is into this programming part. Got it? So this is related to what? Statistical operations. Okay, students? Now, go to the next stage. Go to the next stage. I want to take up one more example here. See, students, this is my A matrix. I will take it. This is my A matrix. I will take something like only few elements. I will take it. Few elements I will take it. A is equal to np dot array of like this I am taking. Like this I am taking. These are my elements. Now you see A you print it. Now some miscellaneous small example. Now I want to add the data to this. Adding the data. How do you add it? A dot np dot come on append of A comma what is that I am adding 100. What is append? Is a function. Easy. NP append is a function present in which module? NumPy module. NP module got the NumPy module. NP is an alias name. NP module means they will ask who is your faculty. You will tell my name compulsory. They will ask you, is your faculty is a scientist or like that they will ask. So don't make my name to change. NP is called what? Alias name of NumPy module. If you say NP is a module name means I have to bend my head down. Don't do that. What is NP? Alias name of NumPy module. So earlier student feature depends on the teacher. Now feature of the faculty depends on the student. And total university feature depends on the students of the university only. If the total students are fail, university removed. That's why people are giving easy question paper. Why? To have the existence of universities nowadays. So Shubham Kumar, which course is preferable after completion of this course? So I told my dear students, data science, go for higher end career. Now, np dot append of A of, see that what is happening? 100 is appended or not? Now, 100 is appended. Now, np dot append of course, A you printed. Still that A is available like that only. Still that A is available because I'm not going to put it in left side now. I'm not modifying that. So Prashant, SQL is required, ma. SQL is a minimum requirement. SQL not only for data science, not only for, it's a minimum requirement. One OS knowledge, one database SQL knowledge, one language knowledge, one technology knowledge is required to get the job. OS knowledge, one database knowledge, one language knowledge, one technology knowledge. Python language, data science, SQL, Windows, OS, anyhow you will understand. Right? Not a problem. So now, Surya Varma. See, data science teaching faculty should know the mathematics, not students should know the mathematics. Student need not to know mathematics. Who need to know? Faculty must know mathematics. If the faculty is like student, it will become some other science. So data science is different science it will become. Come to the point of it. Now I want to append the data completely. How do I append the data? A dot, append of, A dot, append of, I'll say A comma, I can add some 12 comma, 34 comma, some or I can write 100 comma, 200 comma, 300. I will write like this. See that what is happening. NP dot I need to write. NP dot, I mistakenly wrote NP dot. Is it added or not? Appended or not? Appended. Are you good? Home science. 100%. That is very good. It's compulsory. When data science not teaching properly, it will become home science only. Home science means you will be in the home only. It's nice, Prashant. Good. Now I'll go for what? A dot append of this data. So what is this now? Append is the function, adding the data at the end or not. If you want to take this data to A, what you will do? A is equal to NP dot append of like this, you need to write it. You print that A. Now it is containing that entire data. So I'm replacing into A. Getting up? Now. So I'm having this A students. This is my A. Now I want to insert some data. Inserting some data. Where I want to insert? At this location, I want to insert some data. What I will do? NP dot insert of A comma 012 2 comma value called 1000. 1000 means what? I am inserting. So existing element will be moving to forward. Elements will be adjusted. Is it element is inserted in the second location or not? And that element, whatever is there, it is positioned to next. It will go to this place is inserted. Are you following? If I write A, still that original elements are there. If you want to insert that element in the left side, you can take it. You can say A is equal to NP dot. Like this also you can say. You are getting the original elements like this. Getting? So insert. Inserting is not only one element you can do. You can insert more than one element also. How do you insert it? At second position, I want to take it as what you know. -10, -20, -30 also I can place it. So see students, -10, -20, -30 also you can place it. Are you following? Now, this is about what? Insert. Insert. Now I will go for what? Look at A is equal to. Now I will take it A is equal to. This is my given data. Now I want to go for what? See students. NP dot delete. NP dot delete A comma. I will say NP comma delete of 0 I set. What is happening? 0th location is removed. 0th location is removed. I want to remove this 1000 and these three things I want to remove. What is now? 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 I want to remove. How do you remove that? You say, come on. 1 comma 2 comma 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Yes, gone. 1000 gone. 10 gone. 0, 1, 2, 3. What is available? 3 gone. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. How come it is coming? 30. So print A once. Print A once. Now Say once, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, correct. Now you, because earlier I did not modify. Now you see. Now you remove. This you remove. According to my problem, it is correct. Shall I remove? Remove. A dot, same statement you carry. Same thing you carry. What is removed? You see. What is removed? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is removed or not? What is available? Like this, it is available. Right? Now, you say print once again. What is happening? Still that same data will come. If you want to remove permanently, you remove it and place it into where? A. Now you see. Print this A. Now I want to remove 30, 200 and 300 I want to remove. How do you remove? Come on. A dot, A NP dot, delete of what I want to remove. Come on, students. 1, 200 and 300. Come on. 4, 5. 4, 5. 4, 5. Bracket. So you got. So this is 40 and then 100. This is removed or not? These are the functions. How do you add the data to that? How do you add the data? Insert, append, delete. And anyhow, you know updation also. You say this, you write it. This is the one you are writing. In A itself, you are keeping. In A, if you print A here, this is my data. A of 0 is equal to what are you saying? 100 you say. 100 you say. Beginning only it's shown you. To the mutable right or not? Updated like this. So this is comes under what? Inserting, deleting, and then appending. Are you able to follow? So these are the functions are present into this. So Python knowledge along with the MySQL is sufficient to get them. Not only MySQL, Rahul, any SQL knowledge is required. Because SQL is a common in where? Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, everywhere else this is common. This, if you learn it, any one you choose and then learn SQL commands. I told already in a PDBC, right? Little deep you learn it. I told the book name also. Book name also I told you purchased. No, we never. Only book name sir will say or not, that will record in the notebook. So this is about operations on what? Operations on ND array. This is what I used to teach at the Python level. So Monday to Thursday, we have seen about this NumPy. When you go to data science level, data science models will come. In the model, some more extra functions will come related to the data science algorithms. Those functions also will come in NumPy module only. Okay now? So this is called what? NumPy, what I used to teach in the Python level as an additional help for you. And tomorrow I am going to start with pandas. I am going to introduce. So I'm going to introduce pandas in tomorrow class. That will be Friday, Saturday, and Monday. That will be continued once again. Very important, pandas. In data analysis purpose, we are using this pandas mechanism. So this you don't forget, students. Important concept. Additionally, one more extra module in the data science module, which I am explaining in the Python level. So Shruti asking the book name. So I told you already, ma, SQL by PLSQL Developers Guide. SQL and PLSQL Developers Guide. This is guide by Ivan Barons. Ivan Barons. You already wrote on in your book also. Ivan Barons, BPB publication. You buy Oracle 10G or 11G or any version you buy it. This is you read every day 10 pages. So after 40 days, 400 pages book it is. You will become Oracle is perfect you are. 10 pages reading is important first. Will you read 10 pages? Impossible. Okay, not everybody, but Students like regularly students, they will do that. So take care, students, and try to understand. Tomorrow class will go for what? Pandas. Don't miss the pandas. Very important. Don't miss it. Thank you, students. All the best. Students who are in the online, any doubts are there, guys? Can raise your hand.